Hello and welcome to this overview of DotCO Law Marketing's truck accident lawyer websites. DotCO is revolutionizing the way consumers find lawyers online, and truck accidents are no exception. What I would like to do today is share with you a number of reasons why we like to make that claim. First, as in all of our networks, the performance of our websites begins with the fact that we have built out all of our websites on exact match domain names. DotCO owns over 20,000 exact match domains, all of which have some common threads in them. They include a major city somewhere in the United States. If there are 30,000 or more residents in your city, we have your city purchased and probably built out. They include, each of the domains includes a practice area, in this case a focus area of truck accidents, and they also include either the word lawyer or the word attorney. And they all end in .co, hence the name of the company, DotCO Law Marketing. Exact match domains are very powerful and very important from a search engine perspective. They send a signal to the search engines and to consumers that this website is in fact about Atlanta truck accident lawyers and how to find them. The other thing that we have done at DotCO is we have built out a network of over 500 truck accident lawyer websites. You can find those websites very easily by clicking on the banner in step 2 on this page, which will bring you to this page. Here today we are 519 truck accident lawyer websites. There's a comprehensive list here from A to Z. You can check out additional practice areas by just selecting the pull down here. You'll notice that we, in addition to truck accident down the bottom of this pull down, and we have also built out 18-wheeler, which is a very similar site, but they are actually constructed in different ways. The truck accident lawyer website, which is the site that is built here, this website is built all around the things that would cause a truck accident or may cause a truck accident. You see we have pages devoted to a description of bad brakes or driver fatigue or drugs and alcohol, etc., etc. The 18-wheeler websites, on the other hand, were built out around the types of trucks that might be involved in accidents. So you see, again, we've had pages devoted to 18-wheelers and semi-truck trailers and tractor trailers and big rigs and box trucks, etc., etc. So that's the difference between them. Other than that, the sites are fairly similar. I wanted to share with you a little bit about how the DotCO system works. If a consumer were to land on one of our sites, again, we've engineered the sites to perform very well in search engines because they're filled with this great content we talked about. Those consumers would land on a page, and on the page there are sponsorships or listings available. In this instance, we have 2 firms listed here on the Atlanta truck accident site, the Freed, Rogers & Goldberg firm and Gordon, Elias & Seeley. You notice when I mouse over one of these ads, a miniature profile pops up for that firm. I can also click on the View Full Listing button within the miniature listing, or I can click Full Listing here from the ad itself. What happens then is the full listing actually pops up, and it's a comprehensive listing as you'd find in any other legal directory for that firm. We have links to the firm's website and contact email address, phone, etc., etc. The other thing is that if you click on the firm's name or you click on the website button, that will obviously take you to the firm's website. And if you click on the contact button, a miniature contact form pops up, and the would-be customer or consumer can contact the law firm without ever leaving this page. That convention holds the same regardless of whether it's the 18-wheeler website or the truck accident website. As we discuss .co in the marketplace, many law firms ask us how we are similar or how we are different from a typical lawyer directory. We're similar in many ways. As I mentioned before, we've got a full profile that's available for the firm, etc., etc., but we're also very different. To illustrate that difference, I thought I'd pull up an example website. Here's a very typical lawyer directory. In this case, I've selected Find Law in Atlanta to contrast with our truck accident lawyer. I actually searched for truck accident lawyers in Atlanta, and you see that within this directory it pulls up the car accident websites. Any law firm that puts any effort into truck accident litigation knows full well that there are significant differences between truck accident litigation and firms that really know how to litigate truck accidents with a typical car accident type of case. So in this instance, we have a number of lawyers who claim to be car accident lawyers, whereas on the .co website, we've specifically built out the website dedicated just to truck accidents. Another specific difference or significant difference is the number of lawyers that are competing on this page. Again, within a typical legal directory, you see a more comprehensive listing. In this case, there are at least 25 to 35, maybe even as many as 40 different lawyers on this first page of results. Here it actually says 43. .co websites are only ever limited to 5 competitors. In this circumstance, we have 2 single ad listings. There are 5 slots available for purchase, so there could be as many as 3 additional firms that would come in here. But one example of a different approach you see here in the 18-wheeler site that I pulled up in Dallas as an example. In this circumstance, the McLean firm has purchased all 5 listings, which is another option. So for the firm that wanted to foreclose any competition on our websites, we do have that option available as well. So those are some of the reasons why we like to claim that we are revolutionizing the way consumers find truck accident lawyers on the internet. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about .co Law Marketing, there's a couple of different ways you can contact us. You can give us a call at 832-470-9046. You can visit our website at .colaw.co. You can shoot us an email, which is at info@.colaw.co, or you can click on the state map below this video on our truck accident page, and you can contact an internet marketing consultant directly on your own. Thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.